Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Anua Azelaic Acid 10 Hyaluron Redness Soothing Serum. This product retails for $25. This has been a well-anticipated launch from Anua. I've seen tons of people talking about their new azelaic acid formulation, and this is personally something I'm really excited for as someone with acne-prone skin. Azelaic acid has been something that has helped my post-acne hyperpigmentation, my acne, my redness, and also been a great ingredient to soothe the skin. This azelaic acid formulation combines hyaluronic acid, cica, aloe, so many amazing soothing ingredients that is supposed to complement the 10% azelaic acid in this. Now, this has been one of the most mysterious products to me because it kind of just appeared randomly. I saw people talking about it before it was even released, and then I saw a 15% concentration, a 10% concentration, which was released first on the market, at least at the time of filming this. Right now, this is the only one on the market, but somewhere floating out there is a 15% that I have seen some people talking about. I'm excited to see what Anua does with that, but I'm super excited to try out the 10%. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. I touched on this earlier, but Anua combines a 10% azelaic acid concentration with 3 forms of hyaluronic acid, and Anua has also included aloe and cica in this product as well to complement the active in it. To check out the full ingredient list, you can either click the link in the description, or I have also listed it in the description. The big things I'll be looking for with it include what results do I see with it. I'm also wanting to see how often I can use it and how this azelaic acid serum feels on the skin. I experienced some dryness with this ingredient around my nose and chin area sometimes, so that will just be something I'm looking for with this product. As for anything else, I'll be continuing to check in, so I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in and also my first impression with this product. I'm very excited to try it. It just came in today, and I couldn't wait to put it on my skin because my skin is a little bit red and going through it right now because it is the winter, and I just got back inside from walking. There's a lot I'm looking for with this azelaic acid serum because they've been teasing it for so long. First of all, it comes in this dropper bottle. I also think they have 2 formulations. I've seen a 15% with cica and also a 10% with hyaluronic acid, and that's what this is. I do want to try both, but this is the one that we're starting with. Very watery consistency, kind of as I expected. But what I like about this azelaic acid is the soothing ingredients. It also has a pretty moisturizing texture, which you can see there. It does give a nice lightweight glow, at least on the spot test. Let's see how it acts on my face. This is so watery, oh my gosh. Yeah, I would use this pretty close to your cleansing step. The big thing I always look out for with azelaic acid is if it's drying, because that is the biggest complaint that I have with some formulations, especially when they are more watery. You can see my skin's turning red because I have reactive skin, but hopefully that won't be a long-term sensitivity thing. No sensitivity so far. I feel like there's always a little bit of initial stinging, I feel like, with azelaic acid, just because that's just what my skin does, but it's nothing abnormal. I will see if I'm able to use this twice a day, every day, or if I'm just able to use this like once a day. I'm not sure. It all depends on the concentration. Since this is a 10% concentration, I'm expecting it to be just a little bit more gentle. No dryness right off the bat, especially in the winter. I struggle with dryness around my nose and my chin area. I use this all over my face, so I will see if it has any extended dryness, but it feels really good going on the skin. There's no sensitivity, nothing abnormal with my skin, and so I am hopeful for this product and to see what results I notice with it. I'm going to continue using it, and then I'll check in again. I'm here to give you all my final thoughts on this product. I'm happy to say this azelaic acid serum lived up to everything I was hoping it would. The texture is very lightweight and by far my favorite azelaic acid serum that I have used with this lightweight of a consistency. I've spoken before about how I prefer an emulsion delivery to my skin at least, but this was an exception addition to that, because it was so lightweight and made it the perfect layering step. If I needed more hydration, I could go in afterwards, or if I just needed a very simple light routine, I could just use this product and a nice light moisturizer. Additionally, I found I was able to use this treatment both day and night every day, and it has personally showed great results with reducing the redness that I have on my face. It's also shown great benefits with my acne. I didn't personally experience purging with this product, but I am used to using an azelaic acid at a 10% concentration. So just be mindful that is something that you can experience from azelaic acid. Usually little bumps will come up all around your face where you do get acne. At least that's been the case for me, and it can last anywhere from 1 to 4 weeks. Just be mindful of that. Usually they are short-lived. I'm not sure if that product will cause it if this is the first introduction to azelaic acid that you are using, so just be mindful of that. Additionally, this seemed to be a less drying form of azelaic acid, which made me really enjoy it. I sometimes experience some dryness around my nose and around my chin area when I am using it regularly in those spots, but with this product I found with consecutive use of using it both day and night, it didn't cause any dryness, and additionally it was a very gentle and effective treatment at that. I think Anua, including so many nourishing and hydrating ingredients to balance the azelaic acid, really helped out with that aspect of it. Ultimately, I really would recommend it. It is a pretty average price point in my opinion. I feel like this formulation worked really well. It was a very effective treatment and gentle at that. If you are looking to introduce azelaic acid into your skincare routine, this is one of the more gentle options that I have seen, especially the main selling point being if you do prefer a more liquidy formulation. I like that because any skin type could use it, and I feel like this, and like I said, you can layer more hydration if you are drier, or if you are more oily, I feel like you could just use this in a light moisturizer. I also feel like this treatment will be suitable for my skin in any season because of the lightweight texture that it has. Ultimately, this was a wonderful azelaic acid treatment, and I saw great things with it. It was everything I was hoping for, and this has easily become one of my favorite launches from Anua, specifically because of my love for this ingredient and the execution of this formula. I feel like they did great with formulating it, and so for that reason I would 100% recommend trying it. If you've tried some azelaic acids and they're drying, this may be an option to turn to because it was so lightweight and didn't dry out my skin at least, and that is a big thing because it is the winter right now, and so that is bound to happen. I'm just very glad it worked for me, and I would 100% recommend trying it. I saw nothing negative with this product. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.